Hey everyone, you know what time it is. It's time to look into developer space within a NEAR ecosystem. This is NEAR Bytes. Today will be a short but sweet episode for you guys. We'll kick things off with the NEAR Rust CLI tool created by our very own Vlad Frolov. Then we'll look into NEAR's Refer to Earn project report. And finally, we'll finish off with a look into the NEP 408, which is the Injected Wallet API standard. With that, let's get started. Our very own Vlad Frolov, or Full, as we like to call him, showcases awesome NEAR Rust CLI in this week's community call. It provides a very user-friendly, prompt-driven experience to interact with the NEAR blockchain within the CLI. What I really like about it is, one, the fact that I don't have to memorize or look up any CLI commands I may have forgotten, which happens more often than I'd like to admit. And two, the sheer variety of things you can accomplish with it. From deploying smart contracts and interacting with their methods, to looking up an account state information on mainnet, testnet, or shardnet, to even managing your token assets, this tool gives you a very easy way to walk through them all. If you're new to using CLI commands in blockchain, or even if you have some experience want to try out some new cool tool, this is a perfect tool for you guys to try out and check out. Check out the link in the description below for installation instructions and try it out today. So last year, NEAR launched a referral program to help accelerate projects that are already building on NEAR. For each project referred, those who have made a referral have a chance of winning as much as $10,000 in NEAR for nominating a worthy project. The referral program is open to members of the public and NEAR Foundation employees. The grants team at the foundation just published its Refer and Earn Q2 2022 report, and in summary, 26 quality projects have emerged from the Refer and Earn program. You can check out the list in the link in the description below. The grants team has reached out and connected with all those that made the referrals to give their thanks. If you'd like to refer a project and take a chance at winning the bonus, head on over to NEAR Grants Program Referral Initiative page, linked in the description below. Let's take a look into what's going on with the wallet injection standard known as NEP 408. The motivation behind NEP 408 is quoted as follows. Decentralized applications are finding it increasingly difficult to support the ever-expanding choice of wallets due to their wildly different implementations. While projects such as Wallet Selector attempt to mask this problem, it's clear the ecosystem requires a standard that will not only benefit decentralized applications, but make it easier for established wallets to support NEAR. The introduction of the standard also makes it possible for NEAR API.js to become wallet agnostic, eventually moving away from the high amount of coupling that occurs with the NEAR wallet. It simplifies projects such as the Wallet Selector, and will ultimately simplify the lives of developers who want to support multiple wallets. If you would like a look into the details of the standard, please follow the links in the description below to read details on the proposal and take a look into a test implementation of the new standard. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to keep an eye out next week on Monday for a new video I'll be releasing about how to get started with the Pagoda console. Remember to like, subscribe, and with that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day.